What's up world, I'm Mr. Vaca and welcome back to our series all about Screencastify. Today we're going to dive right into Screencastify Editor. This tool has so many different features and options at your disposal. We're just going to start off with the very basics and an introduction to some of the things such like titles, adding different media, cutting sections to remove, and exporting your final product. Additional videos on more advanced editing features are going to be coming to the channel real soon. Something to note is that the free version of Screencastify Edit only allows you to export videos up to 5 minutes in length, but that's really the only limitation. All the other features of Screencastify Editor are available for everybody to use, whether you're part of the free or paid versions. Also, once you've begun editing your video, you will need to leave the editor tab open on your computer until you are finished and ready to export your project. Your project is automatically saved while open and working, but does not save after closing the tab if you have not exported it. So be sure to finish and export it first. Now let's just get started. The easiest way to begin is to open the recording that you want as your primary video from the Screencastify app. Then right above the video will be a button called Open in Editor. Clicking this will open a new tab called Screencastify Edit. Some editing basics that are important to know before getting started. The large zoom out and zoom in bar located in the middle will impact viewing of your video clip below. Zooming out will view the video in larger time increments, and zooming in will view the video in smaller, more precise time. Along the video, you will also see a white vertical line. This is your mark line. Where this is positioned is where the changes will happen in your video. When in doubt, if you accidentally edit something you didn't want to, no need to worry. Located at the top of the editor screen, just click the undo button or press Ctrl and Z as a keyboard shortcut to undo the edit that you just made. If you realize afterwards you did want that edit, it's got that covered as well. Just click the redo button or press Ctrl and Y to put the edit back in. Now let's start with adding pieces to your video. Along that same middle toolbar, on the right is a white Add Media button. When that is clicked, you can add a title, select a video from your drive, or upload directly from the computer. Adding a title will automatically insert a black background title screen at the beginning of the video clip selected. Click inside the red box and you can delete the words there and insert whatever title you'd like to be. A helpful tip is before typing your own wording over in the right-hand side toolbar, make the adjustments to the size, the color, and any other text features that you would like first. This will then automatically apply to the text as you're typing it, rather than attempting to select it all after the fact. Don't worry, you can still make any changes or adjustments later as well. Adding media works the same way when you click the Add Media button. You can select another video to add to your project from your drive or by uploading from the computer directly. Once the file you want is located, simply click it and it will import directly to your Screencastify project at the end of the current video clip. Now let's move to cutting sections of your video to remove. This is so helpful when you make a mistake while recording, which I do all the time, and you do not need to redo the entire recording. Simply just cut or remove the portion of the video that mistake was made using the editor. Select the appropriate clip in the bottom video menu. You will know that it's selected as a yellow outline will surround the video, and the video options in the middle toolbar will become solid white, showing they are available and active. Locate the point in the video you would like to break using the white vertical line. Then click the cut button. You can also use the Ctrl B for a keyboard shortcut. I call it the break. This creates a break in your video, essentially breaking it into two separate clips. Locate the next clip in your video where the mistake ends and then do the same thing. Click on the Delete Trash Can button on the middle toolbar or hit the delete button just on your keyboard. The mistake portion of the video will be gone and the continuation of the video will automatically move over to where the last clip left off. Continue doing this to make as many edits as you see fit. When you're ready to export your final edited video, click the blue export button in the top right-hand corner. From here, you have the option to export your video in MP4 format as a download on your computer or export to Screencastify, which will store the edited video directly in your Google Drive Screencastify folder. When you click either option, a small pop-up window will appear asking you to make a title for your video. You can title the video whatever you would like and then click the download for MP4 format or save for Google Drive. And that's it. You now have an edited video ready to use. I hope that you found this video helpful and are ready to go edit your videos with all these great features. Don't forget, this is just the tip of the iceberg, and more editing features such as cropping and blurring will be on the way in our future video series. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss any future uploads. And if you like it, hit that thumbs up button too, because it helps out the channel a ton. But most importantly, don't forget to work hard, play hard, and I'll see you next time.